Good morning, guys. TruLuvin Fishing here. It is a Thursday. No wind, no rain, because that last one was brutal. Slick, calm. Gonna be like 78 degrees today with a light wind. And I'm very excited because I got another first-time kayaker out with me today. Several videos ago, several months ago, I gave a shout out to a good buddy of mine, Paul, who had just retired, you might remember, and was threatening to get a kayak. Well, guess what? He's out here today. His brand new kayak's been long overdue. Anyone that knows Paul knows it's a process, as he likes to say, but I got him out here today. We're in Guana Lake in Ponte Vedra. This is a perfect environment for a first-time kayak fisherman. You don't have current to deal with, you don't have oysters to deal with, you don't have tide to deal with. We're gonna try to get him on a fish. I'd love to get him a big trout, big redfish, so he can quit talking about dock fishing. I'm joking, dock fishing is good too sometimes. I love giving Paul a hard time, but we're gonna have a blast. Coming with kayak fishing and just being in the line of work he's in and I'm in, we just love to rag each other. Like this morning when he showed up, I think he's out here trying to seduce these fish because he was wearing cologne. No joke. Well, we're gonna get to it, guys. It's perfect top water conditions. I'll see you out there. Thanks. Guys, it is beautiful out here today. Oh, I was so ready for this weather. Compared to that last video, where I should have stayed on the couch probably, this is just as good as it gets. Well, if I get a 25-inch trout, it'll get a little better. Looks like Paul got his first big trout. Let's see what we got. Heading to him. All right, let's see what he's got. We were trolling to a spot where I've caught many reds, and Paul's pole went off. I told him to troll that 17 MR. I think that's what he did. Bro, that is a nice trout. You got a ruler? That is a nice trout, and I want to take your picture too. You're on video, Paul, just so you know. I don't feel like editing out all the, you know, the Normans.
Yes.
Wing it. It ain't for a tournament. You're good.
All right.
That's a great trout. Good job. That's 1 inch from being overslot.
Oh, it's overslot.
20.
Hey, do they bite you with these little teeth?
Yeah, they do. All right, Paul's hooked up again. Let's see what he's got. I hope it's a red. What you got, Paul?
It's a red.
Oh, good. It's about time. Good deal. Got him a redfish. Very nice. That's all right, because we're probably in a school now. So we're going to work this area a little bit. All right, Paul just got a second trout. Seems like anytime I take someone fishing, they make me look bad. Happy for it. That was the same lure, right?
Yep.
You pull a banana out of there, I'm leaving you.
Don't make me laugh.
Well, here's Paul's rig. First time out. Got a trailer. How many did you end up with?
I have 3 trout and 1 red.
3 trout and 1 red?
Yes, sir.
Including a 19-inch.
Yep.
Are you happy that I allowed myself to be skunked so you could catch all the fish?
Absolutely. You're the heck of a guy to do that.
Good deal, man. Did you enjoy it?
Oh, I had a blast. It's awesome.
All right, cool. The weather was good. I mean, the wind started blowing, but it was good.
I learned a lot of shit.
Yeah?
Look at that, buddy. Battle wounds there.
Oh, let me get some of these. Look at this. This is a result of getting too close to the trebles. I love it.
You just dump your bait out here?
Yep. Or ask her, no one's fishing.
I had like 5 hits on the way in.
Well, guys, we're back home after a pretty eventful day. Once again, the goal today was to take Paul out, his first time on a kayak. And I mean, he's got experience fishing, but not a lot of it. So, I mean, just the loading, the unloading, the type of lures, the fishing, the trolling, he did good. He, I think he said he ended up with about 4 trout and a couple redfish. He had a 19-inch trout, which is amazing. And every time I take someone fishing, I have a horrible day. That's all right. It's okay. It was well worth it. But it was pretty funny. You know, Paul's a big personality, but I think he's gonna love it. I think he got the hang of some of the controls. At one point, I had to cut some treble hooks out of his shirt. That was a learning experience. And at another point, when I realized I hadn't caught any fish after like 2 hours, and I look over there at him and I said, "What are you freaking eating?" And he goes, "Bananas." I just shook my head. I said, "Bro, you don't bring bananas on the fishing trip." He's like, "What? What are you talking? That's crazy." Anyway, it was a good time. We're back home. Got some great morning drone footage that you'll see, obviously, of the sun rising in the ocean. We're gonna get all this cleaned up, I gotta add something. Yakhacker products that I've had for close to a month now. I've got 0 complaints. Cup holder, top quality. I wondered if it had a drain hole, and it actually does. That was my only concern with it. The cooler is working out great. It is convenient behind the seat. I put 10 pounds of ice in there today, and it did outstanding. Easy to get to. Retains ice well, does not leak. But the funny thing is, the one item that I thought was not going to be for me is the item I like most of all, and that's the Yakhacker paddle holder, aka my net holder. So feedback to Yakhacker, good stuff, keep it coming, and I will absolutely put the word out there for others to give you guys a try, because I like it. I really do. I wouldn't say that if I didn't. Alright guys, I gotta clean up. We'll see you soon. Bye.